The project name is Plastic to Money. In this, if we insert bottles, it will return a coin as an incentive to the user so that they don't throw bottles away and make it a garbage. Now let us see the functioning of the circuit. Now this is powered using an adapter. You have to insert the adapter in the power and connect the output to this connector. Now this is called a microcontroller. This is called Arduino microcontroller, and it is connected to a sensor here. This is an IR sensor. When a bottle is inserted, the IR sensor will glow. You can observe the IR sensor will detect it and the motor will operate. This is a servo motor which is connected to an arm. This arm will push the coin inside this holder so that the coin is collected by the user. This part is a bottle collector. The user can view whether the bottle has been inserted into the collector or not, so that he will get an idea. If we insert a bottle, money will come out of it. The precautions: use only small coins and also a small size of bottle. Do not use a bigger one so that which doesn't fit into this. And you have to use a small 1 rupee coin of this size. And switch off the circuit when it is not required. This can push only one coin at a time. This is made for a demo science project.